blink, just stare some more. Like you're drawn in pencil lines, soft and warm, no warning signs. Drop my phone, forgot my name. Every time it feels the same. You don't see the mess you cause, but I do, and that's because you